Hi everyone! Konnichiwa! I'm Yuka. Welcome to Yuka's Japanese Cooking. Today we are going to make Soboro Donburi. Today we will use chicken and egg to make soboro. And donburi means the dish over the rice. Have you ever heard soboro? Soboro is a flavored minced meat or egg. And Soboro Donburi, also called Sanshoku Don, 3 colors donburi, because the dish usually has 3 colors: brown color from the meat, and yellow color from the egg, and green color from the veggies like green beans and edamame and spinach, etc. Here are my helpers, Mario and Luigi. こっちね、こっちね。And during this video, I introduce useful cooking techniques and ideas, so please watch in detail until the end. Okay, are you ready to cook? Okay, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Soboro Donburi is ready, so let's try tasting. いただきます. Wow, look at the beautiful color. It gives me an appetite. The salty flavor from chicken and sweet flavor from egg, all well balanced. It's good to eat one side at a time, but it's also good to mix and eat together. ごちそうさまでした. Here are the tips and recommendations of today's menu. The key to making fine soboro is to use 4 or 6 chopsticks and mix very well. And for children, I recommend to mix all together and serve. The eggs tend to stick to the pan, so I recommend to grease the oil well and heat the pan before cooking. Or it might be good to use non-stick pan or fry pan. So those are the tips and recommendations. And special thanks to Mario and Luigi. Thank you, Mario and Luigi. You will see Mario and Luigi get excited on my second channel. It's called Yuka's Diary. Yuka's Diary. I introduce Japanese family life in Tokyo, Japan. Please subscribe channel as well. And I send a newsletter 1 or 2 times a month. So if you want to know the Japanese recipes by category or by the topics, so please join my mailing list. To sign in, please go to my food blog. It's yjc.tokyo. yjc.tokyo. The pop-up screen comes up. So please type your email address and name and click. That's it. And if you see this video for the first time, thank you for coming. I introduce easy, simple, and yummy Japanese recipes, including baby food and kids meals. So please subscribe. And also hit the like button to get the new and fast information. And everyone who already subscribed, before watching another videos, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have a great day, great weekend, and a wonderful next week. We will see you next time. Bye bye.